What's up, guys? I'm gonna show you how to punch. I'm gonna show you how to kick. I'm gonna show you how to grab. I'm gonna show you how to do all those things, okay? Okay, now we got Jenny on Matthews in the crowd. And we got Steven Knighton.
Hey, so guys, Jimmy here. Today I'm going to show you some submissions from WWE and stuff. And yeah, we have this little run right here and we're going to play you right now the how about the ankle lock, okay? That's what it is, okay? Yeah, but
Now we're gonna do.
no, I'm going to show you how to do it. The first you gotta knock it from the ground. You gotta grab your ankle. Turn it on your back. And like twist it. And that's how Jack Swagger Triangle will start doing it. If you want to have more pressure on it, keep it on your back. Wrap your leg around it. And then it'll hurt even more. Like you gotta twist it. Twist your ankle. Try to break it. And eventually, step up.
But if they're strong enough,
You can come down. Alright, well, okay. Yes. Now we're also going to show you how to do on your team. So first, you gotta do your corner rounds. Then you gotta do, I'm going to show you how to do after that. So first, you gotta do your corner rounds.
but if they get close to the ropes,
Two.
then your opponent eventually
Okay, right now. Now, look, now to this split fish on how you do it. First, you gotta take your foot down. And somehow you gotta turn on your back. Gotta make sure you're like really on your back. Then Caruso, he would really put something on your back. Go right in the middle. Grab their arms. Go on your knees. Squat down. And then have to. And then just put your arm on your chin. Just go.
but and then I have to tap
Then you go down.
and then the win.
Yeah.
So we have one more to show you.
And it's kind of move. One of my favorite moves I can do called pedigree. Which is what? Let's do it. 2. What's happening on the ground? So many you gotta stand. Well, I didn't want to hurt him.
So
But I don't want to hurt his face. So let's show you how to do it. First, you want me to kick or hit your opponent with jump. Then put your crotch right there. Then you lift up your one arm and the other. You have your arm like this.
and it's up.
Okay? So you gotta jump backwards and land. I don't want to hurt him, so. And then I beat him in his face first before you let go of his arm. So, okay, this.
Yeah, so that's all the submissions we know.
Submission and a one finisher. So yeah, so I hope you guys like the video. See you again next time. Bye! You missed. Peace. Peace.